Hello everyone, this is David Lewis with a motivational thought to start your week. You know, there's nothing more intriguing than the mind of curiosity. It is what makes us wonder and dream. It's an emotional state that each of us has, yet only a few of us pursue. You know, they say curiosity is what killed the cat, but it's also what creates opportunities. There are a couple of common terms used by many young people today that were never a part of the generation I grew up in. And they were the words boring and whatever. That was not something kids said in my day because we were always so busy with the next adventure. If we were not building a fort or a treehouse, we were hunting for snakes or trying to fix an old car and make it run again. Curiosity was the name of the game, and if something was out there, we wanted to find it. If we did not have something we needed, we would earn the money to buy it or try to make it ourselves. Granted, the world is a bit more complex and dangerous today than it was back then. But that is a poor excuse for young people today vegetating in front of a television set or a video game all day long just because they're bored. You see, successful people never get bored or overcome with discouragement, and they do not take their ball and go home just because the game gets rough. There are far too many problems that need solving for them to get bored. If they see or hear something they do not quite understand, they like to jump right in and start looking for the answer. The mantra of a successful person is never, "I'm bored." It's far more likely to be, "Let's go through that door and see what's on the other side." Unmotivated people tend to look at real challenges as either too hard or not worth the effort. On a scale of 1 to 10, their curiosity is about a -2. They look at the problem, weigh the required effort, and if it looks too difficult, they let someone else worry about it. You see, curious people make the world a better place to live in. They have a drive to improve processes and do what they can to get the job done more efficiently. If sales are falling, they do not sit back and wonder what is happening. They take the bull by the horns and find a way to make improvements, starting with their own house, to make sure they're doing everything right before looking for others to blame. Curiosity is the mother of all creativity. Without it, nothing new ever gets done and nothing old ever gets improved. That is what makes it such a driving force for development and exploration, and that is why successful people love the challenge of launching out into a new project. Curiosity compelled Galileo to prove the Earth orbited the sun rather than vice versa. It emboldened Benjamin Franklin to fly a kite holding a metal key during a lightning storm, and two brothers in Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, to build the first airplane. Curiosity led Sir Isaac Newton to the discovery many of the foundational laws of physics and guided Madame Curie to pioneer the science that eventually led to the modern X-ray machine. Charles Babbage's curiosity led him to build the first programmable analytical machine in the early 1800s that would lay the groundwork for what is now the modern computer. It convinced Christopher Columbus to seek a better route to the East Indies, which ended up in his discovery of the Americas. Still today's pioneers in industries, business, science, and technology press on in their search for answers that will improve the daily life of the common person. Where would our world be today without people of curiosity? Now, just as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, there's nothing more intriguing than the mind of curiosity. It is what makes us wonder and dream. Curiosity is natural to the human experience, and without it, the likelihood that we would have survived the age of dinosaurs without curiosity is probably very small indeed. Whichever caveman devised a spear surely deserves a spot in the Winners' Hall of Fame. So become one of those people that is driven by success based on curiosity. Keep learning, keep listening, and keep exploring all that you can. Who knows? Someday you might invent an item, theory, or process that we all cannot live without. But in the meantime, let your curiosity be your drive for success.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.